From yogurt to cinnamon, these 5 foods quickly lower blood sugar levels. Diabetes is a health condition that many people in the world are battling with. There are 2 types of diabetes, type 1 and type 2. Type 1 diabetes is an autoimmune disease, whereas type 2 diabetes develops with agar. In both these cases, insulin stops working in the body, due to which the level of blood sugar starts increasing. It is important to keep an eye on the level of blood sugar in diabetes, because if it is not controlled, it can harm the rest of the body. If you feel that your blood sugar level is higher than normal, you should consult your doctor. Also, the level of blood sugar can be reduced by including some things in the diet. Seed. Chia seeds, flax seeds, and similar seeds contain a variety of nutrients. They also have antioxidant and fiber properties, which lower blood sugar levels. Nuts. There are many types of nuts available. Eating them in limited quantity daily helps in maintaining the level of blood sugar. They contain many vitamins and healthy fats, which work to lower blood sugar levels. Not only this, it is also good for our heart health. Curd. Yogurt contains probiotics, which lower blood sugar. You can consume curd as a snack or eat it with food. Cinnamon. This spice is great for people suffering from diabetes. The compounds present in the spice help in lowering blood sugar, and at the same time it is also beneficial for many other health conditions. You can add this spice to your meals or use it to make cinnamon tea.